I have created the aircraft parking sticker decal as a way to allow the customer to create a fully customizable airport layout for any ground mat and any terminal building. I have new ground mats which have no aircraft parking spots printed, and instead the customer can take the sticker decals and lay the parking spots in any orientation they would like. The decal backing can be easily cut then placed on the mat once the user has decided where they want the jet bridge to sit. It is very easy to lay the decal on the mat. If the decal is placed in a spot that you later decide you want to change, it can be easily peeled off from the mat and relocated. Each sticker sheet comes with 2 stickers per sheet, and they can be purchased on modelairportnetwork.com. Now you can truly create a layout for your diorama that is truly customizable.